Texas universities under pressure to identify and disclose undocumented students. The Texas Higher Education Board sending out a notice to all public universities, citing a court's decision that forces undocumented students to pay out-of-state tuition. This is a big shift from years past, where they were eligible to pay in-state costs as long as they lived here. Meredith Haas spoke to local universities and a lawyer about what rights those students have.
No, I don't think they have the right to just wholesale distribute this information.
Keith Altman at K. Altman Law, who fights for student and education rights, says universities could face problems as they work out how to comply with the latest demands from the Texas Higher Education Coordinating Board. Reports say right now students don't have to provide proof of citizenship or disclosure of their social security number to apply for college. Altman says the federal law, Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act, also known as FERPA, could be undocumented students' biggest protection.
FERPA protects all students. I don't think it matters whether you're documented, undocumented. If you're here and you are a student, your records are protected.
Altman says students' residency status is separate from their eligibility for in-state tuition.
If they're in the state and they pay state income tax, that really is the basis for deriving in-state tuition.
University of Texas Systems responding to KENS 5 on behalf of UTS saying, to comply, students attending UT institutions who do not provide documentation to demonstrate that they are lawfully present in Texas will be charged non-resident tuition beginning in the 2025 semester. Texas A&M University of San Antonio says while monitoring related litigation, it is working with attorneys and key state officials to develop an appropriate plan to implement requirements of the order. Alamo Colleges says it is reviewing and evaluating our policies and procedures to remain in alignment with recent changes made to federal and state laws. Communication will be sent to students to provide avenues to help continue their educational journey.
Immigration status, that's a different battle for a different day, and I think they can work through that directly with the students.
Meredith Haas, KENS 5.